language that our eyes speaks. Good morning to you all. Today we the students of Science Club are going to give some information about human eye. Eyes are the important part of human body and one in 5 sense organs of our body. In humans, the eye is a valuable sense organ that gives us the ability to see. Now it's turn to see the structure and functioning of human eye. Now my friend Sonal is here to give some information about structure and functioning of human eye.
I would like to explain the functioning and parts of human eye, starting from the cornea. It is the outermost covering of human eye and works as a camera lens. It is the window through which the light gets into our eyes. Next, the iris. These are thin circular structure present in our eyes. These help in taking the light into our eyes. The pupil. Pupil is in the middle of our eye and the iris expands and contracts the size of pupil according to the amount of light which is passed into it. Next, the lens. The lens focuses and defocuses on object according to how far it is from your eyes, and the ciliary muscles are involved in this process. The ciliary muscle helps the lens to contract and expand. Next, the retina. The retina is the main in this functioning. The retina, after the light passing, sends it into the optic nerves to the brain. It converts the light into electronic signals and it perceives the world upside down. But the brain flips it back for us. Thank you.
I hope that you have understood about the structure and functioning of human eye. Eyes are called a disease to our body. Because of them, we can't see the spiritual world in front of us. Here are my friends to explain you about the eye diseases and eye defects.
Myopia is also known as nearsightedness. A person with myopia can see nearby objects clearly but cannot see distant objects distinctly. A person with this defect has the far point nearer than infinity. Such a person may see clearly up to a distance of few meters. In a myopic eye, the image of distant object is formed in front of the retina and not on the retina itself. Cause of defect. This defect may arise due to excessive curvature of eye lenses, elongation of eyeball. Correction of myopia. This defect can be corrected by using a concave lens of suitable power. A concave lens of suitable power will bring the image back onto the retina and thus the defect is corrected.
Hypermetropia. Hypermetropia is also known as farsightedness. A person with hypermetropia can see distant object clearly but cannot see nearby object distantly. Causes of defect. This defect arises either because the focal length of the eye lens is too long, the eyeball has become too small. Correction of hypermetropia. This defect can be corrected by using a convex lens of appropriate power. Eyeglasses with covering lenses provide the additional focusing power required for forming the image on the retina.
Presbyopia. The power of accommodation of eye usually decreases with aging. For most people, the near point gradually recedes away. They find it difficult to see nearby objects comfortably and distinctly without correct eyeglasses. This defect is called presbyopia. Cause of defect. It arises due to the gradual weakening of the ciliary muscles and diminishing flexibility of eye lens.
Glaucoma. Glaucoma is a general term used to describe a group of eye disorders that damage the optic nerve. It's the most common form of optic nerve damage to vision loss. In most cases, fluid builds up in front of the eye. This extra fluid puts pressure on the eye, gradually damaging the optic nerve. This pressure is known as intraocular pressure or eye pressure. Causes. Glaucoma can occur without any cause but is affected by many factors, the most important of which is the intraocular eye pressure. Your eyes produce a fluid called aqueous humor that nourishes them. This liquid flows through the pupil to the front of the eye. In a healthy eye, the fluid leaves through a drainage canal located between the iris and cornea. Treatment. Untreated glaucoma can lead to faster development of permanent vision loss or blindness. Treatments can slow down additional vision loss, but they can't restore lost vision. It's important to see your eye doctor right away if you have eye pain, severe headaches, or vision problems. Glaucoma treatments include eye drops or medication, laser treatment, and surgery.
Blindness. Night blindness is inability to see well at night or poor in light. It is often associated with an inability to quickly adapt from well illuminated to a poorly illuminated environment. It is not disease in itself, but rather a symptom of underlying eye problem, usually a retina problem. It is common for people who are myopic to have some difficulties with night vision, but this is not due to retinal disease, but rather optical issues. Night blindness has many possible causes, including myopia, cataracts, vitamin A deficiency, especially in individuals who have undergone intestinal bypass surgery. How can night blindness be prevented? You cannot prevent genetic predispositions, but you can control your lifestyle. Try the following to possibly prevent night blindness. Eat foods that have vitamin A. Some suggestion includes carrot, butternut squash, spinach, milk, eggs.
Cataract. Cataracts are the clouding of the lens of our eye, which is normally clear. Most cataracts develop slowly over time, causing symptoms such as blurry vision. Cataracts can be surgically removed through an outpatient procedure that restores vision in nearly everyone. A cataract develops when the lens in our eye, which is normally clear, becomes foggy. Causes. The lens of our eye is mostly water and proteins. As proteins break down over time, they hang around in our eye. These lingering proteins can make our lens cloudy, so it's hard to see clearly. Treatment. If cataract symptoms are mild, just need a new prescription for glasses or contacts. Cataracts usually worsen over time, though eventually doctor will likely recommend surgery to remove the cataract. Thank you.
Now is the time to make changes to safeguard your vision. It's never too late to change a routine or a break a habit. Here are a few tips that will help you get your eye health and vision on track in the blink of an eye. Now I call upon my friends to tell some important tips to take care of our eyes.
Screens and monitors are part of our everyday lives. We encounter them everywhere, from our personal smartphones, desktops, computers, tablets, and MP3s to movie theaters, sports games, airports, train stations, and subways. Throughout the day, we tend them to look at the screen for long periods of time, and we may work from handheld devices at much closer distance than we would read printed pages. Glare from screen can lead to eye strain and computer vision syndrome. It's recommended to position your computer screen at least an arm's length away and hold handheld devices 16 inches away from your eyes.
Protect your eye from danger. Always wear protective eyewear or safety goggles if your work requires eye protection and when working in the garden, doing home repairs, or when dealing with cleaning substances such as bleach or oven cleaners.
Always wear your sunglasses to protect your eyes from harmful ultraviolet rays when you are outside or during daylight. Exposed to ultraviolet rays during any time of year can lead cataracts or age-related macular degeneration as well as sunburns on your eyes in extreme case. Make sure that your sunglasses block 99% of ultraviolet A and ultraviolet B rays.
Irritated eyes. Apply the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at an object 20 feet away for 20 seconds and don't forget to blink.
Eat seafood with omega-3s. Go for greens. Omega-3 fatty acids found in cold water fish such as tuna, salmon, mackerel and sardines may help lower the risk of dry eye diseases such as macular degeneration and cataracts. If you don't like seafood, consider taking fish oil supplements or other supplements that contain omega-3s such as blackcurrant seed and flaxseed oils. Leafy green vegetables such as spinach, broccoli, peas, avocado, Brussels sprouts contain lutein and zeaxanthin. The AREDS2 age-related eye disease study research conducted by National Eye Institute and EI demonstrated that certain dietary supplements, including these important pigments, help prevent the progression of some eye diseases.
Visit eye doctor for a comprehensive eye exam at least once a year. Yearly eye exams are not only helpful in detecting early signs of eye disease, they are also an important indicator of all your health. An eye exam can detect signs of cardiovascular disease, diabetes, stroke, brain tumors, aneurysms, and multiple sclerosis. Proper attention to vision problem can also enhance your safety and quality life.
Friends for suggesting some tips to take care of our eyes. Every closed eye is not sleeping and every open eye is not seeing. Now I call upon Swayam to give some information about Braille System.
I wish that deaf can hear and blind can feel. Good morning to you all. Today I want to give some short information on Braille System. Braille is a system developed by Louis Braille in 1824 to help visually challenged people. It is a code by which language such as English, French and Spanish etc. It can be written and read. Braille system has 63 dots and pattern or characters. Each character represents a combination of letter, a common word or grammatical sign. Dots are arranged in a cell of 2 vertical rows in 3 dots each. Braille allows blind and partially sighted people to learn spelling, grammar and punctuation and gain an understanding of how text is formatted on the page. Individuals learn in a different way. Some people may find it easier to take in information on via audio while others prefer to read written word in Braille. Thank you.
Swayam. Where words are written, the eyes often talk a great deal. Now we have come to the last part of the program. I thank our beloved principal, Dr. C.V. Patil, for giving us an opportunity to perform this activity, and all my teachers for encouraging us. Also my student friends. Thank you one and all.